Hello and greetings to everyone. We are to answer question 2. It goes, workers in a certain company recorded the number of children they have as follows. We have the following data. You can see. Question A says, copy and complete the table below. We have the number of children 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the number of workers. That means the number of workers with 0 children, there are 3 of them. You can count the number of zeros. We have 1, 2, 3. That's why we have 3 here. So this is a frequency table. Now the number of workers having 1 child, we are going to count the number of ones we see in this data. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the number of workers, we have 6. We go to the next. For 2, the number of workers with 2 children, we are going to count the number of 2s we see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. The next 3 children, we are going to count the number of 3s we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. The next, the number of workers with 4 children, we are going to count the number of 4s we see here. We have just 1. Next, 5. Number of workers with 5 children. We're going to count the number of 5s we see. We have 1. We have just 1. Next, 6. The number of workers with 6 children. We're going to count the number of 6. We have 1, 2. Next, we go to 7. The number of workers with 7 children. We have 1. We have just 1. This one is for question 2. We answered question 1 already. You can check the solution of question 1, which is on solving quadratic equations graphically. Here we have number of children. First row. The second row we have number of workers. This is a frequency table. For 0 we have 3 workers. 1 child we have 6 workers. For 2 children we have 7 workers. 3 children we have 4 workers. 4 children we have 1 worker. 5 children we have 1 worker. 6 children we have 2 workers. 7 children we have 1 worker. So this is the frequency table. Question A. We are done with A. We go now to question B. Question B says, find I, the number of workers involved in the survey. We need the number of workers involved. It will simply be equal to get the number of workers involved, we can simply get it by counting the number of data we have here, which is 25, or we can get it by summing the number of workers we have here. That is by taking 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. And this will be equal to 3 plus 6 gives us 9. 9 plus 7 gives 16. 16 plus 4 gives 20. 20 plus 1 gives 21. Plus 1, 22. Plus 2, 24. Plus 1 gives 25. The number of workers there are 25 workers. 2i. 2i says we should find the total number of children for the workers surveyed. We need the total number of children. And for us to get the total number of children, we are simply going to add these numbers we have here, which is very tedious because we can omit certain numbers. So it will be easy if we take the number of children multiplied by the number of workers. That means the number of workers who have the specified number of children. Number of children will simply be equal to, we are going to take 3 times 0 plus 6 times 1 plus 7 times 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times 5 plus 2 times 6 plus 1 times 7. And this will simply be equal to 3 times 0 gives 0 plus 6 times 1 gives 6 plus 7 times 2 gives us 14 plus 4 times 3 gives us 12 plus 1 times 4 gives 4 plus 1 times 5 gives 5 plus 2 times 6 gives 12 plus 1 times 7 gives 7. And this will be equal to 0 plus 6 gives 6, 6 plus 14 gives 20, 20 plus 12 gives us 32, 32 plus 4 gives us 36, 36 plus 5 gives us 41, 41 plus 12 gives us 53, 53 plus 7 gives us 60. In total, there are 60 children. We go to 3i. 3i is asking us to find the modal number of children. That means the highest number of children that occurs. Looking at the number of children, you see that the highest number of children that occurs is 2. You can see 2 occurs 7 times. There are 7 workers with 2 children. So in this case, the modal number of children is equal to 2. Modal number of children is equal to 2. We go now to IV. IV is asking us to find the median number of children. That means that number that divides the data into 2 equal halves. And for us to get the median, we are going to arrange the data in ascending order or in descending order. We are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order. We start from the smallest. The number 0 occurs 3 times. We are going to write down 0 3 times. 0, 0, 0. The number 1 occurs 6 times. 1, 1, 1. Next we go to 2. 2 occurs 7 times. Next we go to the number 3. 3 occurs 4 times. Next we go to 4 occurs just one time. We go to 5 occurs just one time. 6 occurs two times, and lastly 7, which occurs just one time. We know there's 25 workers. In this case, for us to get the median, which is the middle number that divides this data into two equal halves, the median will be at the 13th position. We are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is our median. If we count below this our median, we are going to have 12 numbers, and if we count above, we are going to have 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, 2 is the median. Divide the data into two equal halves. Write this down. The median number of children, median number of children is equal to 2. Now we go to 5. 5 is asking us to find the mean number of children per worker. The mean, that means the average. Mean number of children. So for us to get the mean number of children per worker, what we are simply going to do is we are going to divide the total number of children by the total number of workers. Total number of children divided by the total number of workers, and this will simply be equal to 60. We're going to divide 60 by the total number of workers, 25. This will give us 2.4, which is approximately 2 children. Question C says calculate as an exact fraction the probability that a worker chosen at random from those surveyed will have less than 3 children. Less than 3 children simply means either the worker has no child, or the worker has 1 child, or the worker has 2 children. That's what it means. Probability P of the worker chosen at random has less than 3 children will simply be equal to the number of workers with less than 3 children divided by the total number of workers surveyed, and this will simply be equal to the total number of workers having less than 3 children. We have 3 plus 6 plus 7. This will give us 3 plus 6 plus 7. Then we divide by the total number of workers, which is 25. If we sum all this, it gives us 25. And this will simply be equal to 3 plus 6 gives us 9. 9 plus 7 gives us 16 all over 25. So this is a probability of a worker chosen at random having less than 3 children. We go now to question D. Given that a special grant is given to the workers with more than 5 children, that means 6, 7, find the number of workers who will benefit this special grant. Number of workers who will benefit special grant will simply be equal to, we are going to add the workers with 6 children and 7 children. So this will simply be equal to 2 plus 1. This will give us 3 workers. We are done with the solution of question 2. If in case you have any worries, you leave your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.